Hey Keto Camper, well, we did it. We hit 100,000 subscribers here on the Keto Kamp YouTube channel. What an accomplishment, and you know we wouldn't have been able to do this without your support, without you watching the videos every single day, sharing it with your friends, with your family, with your community. Thank you so much for helping us achieve this goal. Our mission here at Keto Kamp is to educate and to inspire 1 billion people on planet Earth, and this is a huge step in accomplishing that goal. Let's face it, there's so much disease out there. There's obesity, there's diabetes, there's cancer. I believe we were designed not for sickness, not for disease, and not to tiptoe our way until death's door. No, we were designed for greatness, to thrive, to live past 100 years old, disease-free, doing jumping jacks with our grandkids. And this information on the channel is the information that the world needs. So I want to thank you so much for all of you, you amazing Keto Campers. I love you all. We are so happy and excited to have reached 100,000 subscribers here on this Keto Kamp YouTube channel, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without your amazing support. So cheers to 200,000, 1 million subscribers and beyond, because the more this channel grows, the more we put a dent in disease. So I want to take this moment to just really express my love, my gratitude, and my appreciation for you. Thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for sharing it with your friends and your family. I am committed, we are committed here at Keto Kamp to continue putting out content every single week. Look for 2 to 3, sometimes 4 brand new videos every single week on this channel and on our Keto Kamp podcast. So we'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you so much and so much love to you, Keto Camper. See you soon.